IIT Madras has opened admissions for the 2026 academic cycle, offering students multiple pathways to pursue their academic goals. From undergraduate programs to specialized postgraduate degrees to web-enabled learning opportunities. This year, IIT Madras is expanding its academic offerings with future-focused programs across mathematics, semiconductors, public policy, sustainability, sports analytics, artificial intelligence, and more. In this special feature, we take a look at the newly available academic opportunities at IIT Madras. Among the new additions this year is the Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics, a regular undergraduate program designed for students who want to build a strong foundation in mathematics and analytical thinking. The program combines theoretical learning with modern applications in fields such as artificial intelligence, data science, computational research, finance, and advanced technologies. The admissions will be through JEE, and the program aims to prepare the students both in research and industry opportunities. Alongside, IIT Madras is continuing to offer its growing range of BS degree programs by introducing BS in Aeronautics and Space Technology and BS in Management and Data Science. These programs are designed to make IIT quality education more accessible to learners across different backgrounds, age groups, and career stages, combining flexibility with strong academic foundation, allowing students to learn at their own pace while gaining industry-relevant knowledge and skills. At its postgraduate level, IIT Madras is bringing in a lot of specialized programs which align with global and national priorities. One of the major additions this year is the MTech in Metallurgical and Material Engineering that specializes in semiconductor material technology. Focused on semiconductor materials, fabrication technologies, nanomanufacturing, and chip production, the program is designed to meet the growing demand for skilled professionals in India's expanding semiconductor ecosystem. The admission process will be through GATE. IIT Madras is also expanding its interdisciplinary offering with a MA in Public Policy. The program combines governance, economics, technology, sustainability, and public administration while exploring the impact of policy across sectors such as healthcare, education, environment, and digital governance. The admissions will be through GATE. Among the new programs introduced at IIT Madras is the MSc in Sports Analytics and AI. The program blends sports science, analytics, artificial intelligence, and data-driven performance analysis, covering areas such as athlete tracking, predictive analytics, sports technology, and AI-based decision-making. It aims to prepare professionals to work at the intersection of sports and advanced analytics. The applicants must hold a bachelor's degree in engineering, science, or sports science with at least 60% marks or equivalent first-class standing. The admissions will be through a screening test and interview conducted by a joint panel of IIT Madras and University of Birmingham faculty. Another future-focused program at IIT Madras is the MSc in Sustainable Engineering. The program focuses on sustainability, clean technologies, energy systems, environmental solutions, and responsible engineering practices. Students will work on real-world challenges connected to climate change, sustainable infrastructure, resource management, and green innovation. The program reflects the growing importance of sustainability across industries and global development goals. Applicants to this joint master's program must hold a recognized degree in engineering or science meeting UK 2:1 equivalent standards. The admissions will be based on an online entry test and interview conducted by a joint panel of IIT Madras and Swansea University faculty. Alongside its regular programs, IIT Madras is also expanding its access and reach through its web-enabled learning opportunities. These flexible learning pathways allow students to access IIT quality education from anywhere.
As you can see, at IIT Madras this year, we have introduced a wide range of new programs. These span the areas of mathematics, artificial intelligence, public policy, sustainability, semiconductors, and sports analytics. So this is a very diverse set of disciplines which we believe will address the needs, educational aspirations of a wide range of people. Similarly, in many of these programs, the entry criteria is also diverse. Based on the program, we have entry criteria that are associated with traditional examination-based systems such as JEE and GATE. But we also allow other forms of entry such as through Olympiad. In some cases, we have an entry test and interview. We also have a lot of web-enabled learning processes. This enables us to reach out to a very diverse audience across our country with aspirations and access access to diverse range of learning processes.
For more details on admissions, eligibility and application timeline, visit the IIT Madras website www.iitm.ac.in. Thank you.